Hello, my name is Chris Jones of Renovating Property, and I'll be speaking at Brendan Quinn's property meet on Thursday the 27th of June. I run a very successful property company which buys commercial, residential and planning game projects. I also do listeds as well, which is another weakness of mine, as you can see from behind me. What I would like to talk to you about on Thursday the 27th is how you actually spot opportunities in the property market as it changes and alters. And that's really important because the property market is always altering, and it's new rules come in, new legislation hits you. You've got to be prepared to change and move with the market and spot where the new opportunities are coming from. So I would really love to share with you the experiences that I've been through and many of the valuable lessons I've learned, and also show you how to actually spot really interesting opportunities that are out there. You just have to know how to find them and how to monetize them. So please come along and join us on Thursday the 27th. I'd love to share my knowledge with you and hopefully help you too build a successful property business. That's Thursday the 27th, and if you'd like to find out more information, have a look at Brendan Quinn's website, which is bquinnevents.com. I hope you can join us. My name's Chris Jones and this is Renovating Property. Looking forward to seeing you hopefully very soon. Goodbye.